U-level engineering scale. U-level will also figure your feet above sea level. The way we do that, we'll click on these little three dots here. You go into engineering units and you set up in engineering units. Now we're connected to the level. So what we're doing, we enter our set value. This will usually be figured off of a manhole cover or some set structure that the U.S. Corps of Engineers or Civil Engineering has established already as feet above sea level. It could be, we'll say, 347.56 feet above sea level is your starting point. You'll zero the level at this starting point. And then anywhere you raise or lower this is added or subtracted to your datum. You have to have an initial starting point. You have to have your datum. And this measures in feet and hundredths of a foot. You'll notice we've got the 0.21 now. That's hundredths of a foot. It's a little different. You'll either know what this is for or you won't. If you need it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If it doesn't make sense to you, you don't need it. Don't worry about it. But it's a extremely useful piece of equipment. If you figure that with a laser or a transit, you have to figure from your story pole and convert this into feet and hundredths of a foot, and then add or subtract it to your beginning point. The level does all of that for you. What you see at the bottom it's what you've got. It's where you are exactly.